Well,
Hello, how are you?
good you.
Good. It's Daniel Roper returning your call.
Yes, Daniel Roper. So yesterday, I reside at 1010 Highway 311 in North River. I have a deal with Godfrey Perry.
Yeah.
There's myself and multiple resident other occupants of this property. So yesterday, I was awoken by a couple sheriffs and RCMP officer, and they showed up making threats, saying that I have to be out of this property in a week. So I'm just sending notice out to you, and I'm sending notice out to this Robert Gregan that if you want to continue with this, I'll be filing suit against you guys here immediately. I don't take easy to threats of violence, and that is a direct threat of violence on these documents you sent me. I will be filing complaints with the Law Society, and I will be going after your insurance for these actions you have taken. Um, Pursuant to professional code of ethics, what you're doing here, you're acting way outside of your authority. And I'm not going to accept being threatened to be thrown out of my house in a week here. You think you can come in and breach contract? Seriously?
Okay, hold on. Are you a tenant there? Let me ask that. Do you rent?
That's none of your business what I do. What my deal is with Godfrey Perry is none of your
I gave you a chance
business.
to talk. Hold on. I
Hmm.
gave you a chance to talk. Now I'm going to speak. If you're a tenant there, then we'll have to deal with residential penalties.
You
If
deal with it whatever you want. I'm telling you. I am telling you there, buddy. I have a contract with Godfrey, period.
and Godfrey's in trouble, right? And
How's
he's
he in
lost the
trouble?
house.
How's Godfrey in trouble?
He's lost the house, and it's not
He's
just that.
what?
He's losing four or five other
I have
properties.
interest in this property there, buddy. I have interest in this property. I made a deal
Well,
with
you better see
Godfrey.
a lawyer. You better see a lawyer very
Don't tell me
soon.
what to do with my money.
No, no. But I'm telling you, if you
No, you're not
continue,
telling me nothing. Are you giving me legal advice?
absolutely not.
Oh, it sounds like you're giving me legal advice.
No, I would advise you in your best
No, no.
interest.
Oh, it's in my best interest, is it? Oh, what? Is that a threat? Is that a threat?
I don't make threats, sir.
You just made a threat. You saying it's in my best interest? That sounds like a threat to me.
Hey, look, if you're interpreting it as a threat, I don't know what to tell you.
Well, in my lawsuit, it will be considered a threat because you are being recorded here too, right?
That's fine. What I'm trying to explain to you is that you should see a lawyer to discuss what's
Don't
going on
tell me
here,
what to
right?
do. I will not accept any legal advice from you. You got that? Quit telling me
I'm
what
not,
to do.
I'm not trying to give you legal advice. What I'm
Yes, you
trying to
are.
do is I'm saying that there are things that are going on here, right, that
Yeah, and
need to
there's
be
things going
explored.
on here between there's we have a private agreement. You're trying to interfere with a private agreement here. You can't do that, buddy.
I just you don't understand how the law works.
Oh,
There are
really?
things
How's the law work, man? How's the law work? You can interfere in a private contract? Is that how the law works?
in certain circumstances, yes.
Oh, really now? Oh, wow. Aren't you special? Aren't you
I
special? You get to interfere with a contract. Hey, oh, wow. Where do you get these powers from?
It's the Supreme Court of Nova Scotia, sir.
Okay, so what we're going to require here is you have caused now damages to me. So I'm going to require your insurance, okay? Are you
I don't
insured?
accept any
Are you
damage.
insured, Daniel Roper?
Of course.
I'm going to require your insurance.
Well, if you're going to file suit, then you would do so, and then we would take the appropriate steps in the event that that took place. Okay?
No, I require your insurance now. I want to make sure you're insured. I don't believe you are insured because you're breaking the law here. You're breaking the law.
Okay. I'm going to end this call now,
Of
please.
course you are. Of course you are. That's what you guys always do is run, right?
Sir, I'm trying to engage in a reasonable discussion with you. You're just
By
talking
trying to
over
give me
me.
legal advice?
I'm not trying to give you
Yes,
legal
you
advice.
are. You're telling me you're no, you're telling me that you're coming to remove me from my property, and I'm telling you otherwise. You come on this property, you got big fucking issues, man. You got big fucking issues.
That sounds like a threat.
It is. I'm coming to sue you. That is a threat. I'm going to sue you and your firm Okay? If you think you're going to interfere with a private contract and kick me out of my house, I have a big problem with it. Damn rights, bud. What are you going to do about it?
What I'm telling you is that you should see
What are you telling me?
if you'd let me finish, you should see a lawyer who will explain
You're
to you.
giving me legal advice again. I don't want your legal advice. Don't give me any advice. How about that? How about you tell me how you have the right to interfere with a private contract?
If you have an agreement to live in that property, okay, with Mr. Perry, and Mr. Perry loses his right to the property by way of another proceeding, like, for example, a family law proceeding where the property is ordered to be sold, that has an impact on you, right? There's no way that it won't have an impact on
Oh,
you.
damn right it has an impact because you and Gregan are being sued. That's why.
Listen, you're going to do what you're going to do, okay? I'm not going to engage in that sort of a discussion with you. What I'm telling you is that you've got some time now to do something, right?
Don't tell me what to do anything. I'm in my house. Okay, I have a contract. I'm paid up. I have the right to live in here. And for you to come along and say that you're going to remove me, good luck, buddy. Good luck to you.
What's your name?
My name's David.
What's your last name, sir?
It's none of your business what my last name is. Who the hell are you, dude? Who the hell are you?
So you're not going to identify yourself.
I have identified myself.
I need a surname. If we're going to
Why do you need a surname? Why do you need a surname? You're dealing with a trust here, dude. I have a trust in hand here that you're in breaching. You're in breach of these trust bylaws, buddy. That's what you need to know. Okay? And pursuant to the trust, you're being fined and sued, and I have every right to do so. You wanna breach my trust? Listen here, bud. Listen here, bud. This trust says exactly here, Article 4, Section 231. Okay? Any any trespasser upon trust property is liable to suit. And I will come after you for everything you own for breaching this trust, buddy boy. So bring it on.
if you have a document that you'd like me to review, you
I
can
don't
always.
want you to review anything. I'm telling you. I don't got to prove nothing to you, bud. What's going to be proved to you is I'm coming after you in court. I'm going to sue the ass off you if you continue with this fraud. You got that? You want to breach of trust? Bring it on. Once again, this is being recorded. You are with the knowledge and notice now that you are breaching a trust. If you want to continue with your actions, there are consequences pursuant to the trust bylaws. So bring it on, man. This is the law. The law is the contract. The contract is between me and you now. Me and you now have a relationship. Okay? You got that? You are breaching that trust relationship. Do you understand me? There is a trust relationship, dude. You know what I'm talking about. Right now, me and you have a relationship with other tenants in this property too that are coming after you. If you don't know the current housing situation in the area, you're going to start kicking people out. Good luck, buddy. I ain't leaving the place. I don't care what you or Gregan threatens. RCMP and the Sheriff's Department have already been warned. They come on this property. There will be action taken about each individual in their individual capacity. I ain't suing Burchell, I'm suing Daniel Roper. You got that? You want to mess around, boy? I will come after everything you own. I will come after your bar license. I will put a sign in front of your building there telling exactly what you are doing. You want to throw there's children in this house, dude. You want to throw children out on the street? You bring it on, man. There are children in this property, buddy boy. You're gonna throw them out on the street? Good luck to you, bud. Good luck to you. Ain't putting up with no lawyer shit. Especially this is not much. This is corrupt. You are you're corrupt, dude. You continue on with this, Dan Roper. Monday morning, I will have a suit, and I am coming after you for everything you fucking own, buddy. That is a promise, dude. Continue on, bud. I asked you for your insurance. You don't want to provide? I want to see your oath too. I want to make sure you I want to see your bar card also. I know you take oath to the queen, to the monarch. I want to see that valid oath because you're breaching it now. You're in public breach of trust, buddy. You think I don't? You don't think I know the law? I know what the law is. I don't know what legalese is because I really don't care what your legalese bullshit is. Okay, it's a bunch of nonsense babble. You got that? The law. You know what the law is? Is that every man is created equal under the law. That's the law. You have no authority over anything. Neither does that Gregan. You want to call and threaten me? You're going to find out what the law is exactly here, bud. I have training in law. I have lots of training in law. So don't tell me to call some legal person. And that's what you are. You don't know nothing about law, dude. It's a bunch of nonsense. You think that a man can't stand up and defend himself, so get a hire some lawyer? I don't think so, buddy boy. I'm going to show you exactly what the law is here, bud. What you're violating. All the laws you're violating here. Maxims of law, equity. Where's the equity here, bud? Your courts, under the Federal Court Act, under the jurisdiction of admiralty and equity courts. You got that? I know all your fraud. I know all your shit. Okay? And you want to come and threaten me to remove me from private property when I have a private trust in hand? You want to breach my trust? Dude, I am going to sue you into the ground if you continue, Daniel. You got that? I'll teach you the law, boy. I'll teach you what the law is.
If you want to serve me any documents, you can do it at 710 Prince Street in Truro. Okay?
No, I know where your host is. I'll actually be serving you at your host.
Well, as long as it's affected by personal service, that's fine. Thank you.
Yeah,
Okay. Is there anything else you needed to discuss with me, or is that it?
yeah, yeah. I'm giving you a warning now. You come onto this property next week, or any of your goons come onto this property, you got big issues, bud. That's the threat. There's children in this property. You got that? You understand me. Hey, hey, I'm asking you, you understand me? I'm king here, boy. I'm the king. I am the king. You understand? I don't know who the hell you are, some rat. You little fucking bitch. You listen, you little bitch. You better fucking heed warning. I'm gonna sue the motherfucker out of you. You got that? Right as of now, there's a campaign against you. There will be Facebook videos. There will be YouTube videos. I am calling you out, dude. You want to go live? Let's go live on YouTube and have an argument about law. I would love to. Hey, how do you feel about that, Daniel? Why don't we have a little argument about law? Let's see who really knows what the law is. Hey, you want to argue law, Daniel?
I don't want to argue with you at all.
No, you don't want to argue. You like to argue in court, though, right? You like to go and argue in your little sick little private courtrooms, but you don't want to argue with a man, hey? You can't argue with a man, can you? Because you don't have jurisdiction to do anything to me, right? You want my surname? What? You want my slave name? I don't think so, there, buddy boy. Okay? This is the I'm in the I I'm the authority. This is the kingdom of God you're in, and there's a judgment been rendered against you. You're pursuant to the violations of trust bylaws, the trust that I have in hand here, okay, that you don't even have the right to. You I wouldn't let you read my trust because you're not. You're an attorney. What's to a turn do? Take from one and give to another. What you're doing to God for here? You're a thief, man. Okay, you want let's do this. Let's go live on Facebook, Daniel Roper. I'm challenging you. You're being recorded. This is going online anyways. Let's go live. I want to have an argument of law with you. Let's talk about jurisdiction. How Gregory Warner has jurisdiction. You know, the right words make the law. That's the jurisdiction. I don't know how Gregory Warner all of a sudden thinks he has authority or power over even myself. If Gregory Warner thinks he has jurisdiction over me, he's got another fucking thing coming too. Because I'm going to sue the motherfucking ass off that dirtbag, just like I am you. You motherfucker's going to learn real quick who David is. You got that? You're going to fucking know who I am, boy. I'm going to fucking meet. Yeah. You better, you know what, Daniel? I fucking gave you your warning. I'm done talking to you, you little bitch. Okay? Have a nice day, peckerhead. Fucking loser.